In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a duplicate Google Business profile. Duplicate profiles can be confusing for your customers and might affect your business's visibility, so it's important to manage them effectively. Let's dive into the step-by-step process of how you can identify and remove any duplicate listings from your Google Business account. First, you'll want to navigate to business.google.com locations in your web browser. This will take you directly to your Google My Business dashboard, where you can see all the business profiles associated with your account. Make sure you're logged in with the Google account that manages your business. Once you're on the dashboard, take a look at the left side of the screen. Here you should see a section labeled Businesses. This area lists all the business profiles that are currently under your account. An extra profile here could mean a duplicate. Now check through the businesses listed to see if any duplicates exist. Duplicates are additional profiles that might have been unintentionally created, and they can interfere with your primary business profile. If you spot a duplicate, you'll want to remove it to ensure your business is represented accurately online. To begin the removal process, locate the business profile you wish to delete. You'll see a checkbox next to each listing. Simply tick the checkbox beside the profile you want to remove. Once you've done this, the profile should be highlighted, indicating it's selected for an action. Next, move your attention to the upper right corner of the screen where you'll find the Actions drop-down menu. Click on this menu to see a range of options. You have various management tools here, but to remove a duplicate, you'll want to scroll through the menu until you find the option labeled Remove Business. Clicking on Remove Business will prompt a pop-up to appear. This pop-up is there to confirm your action, ensuring that you're absolutely certain about deleting the profile. Removing a business profile is permanent, so take a moment to make sure you've selected the correct one. If you're sure, go ahead and click Remove in the pop-up to permanently delete the duplicate listing. This ensures your remaining business profiles are accurate and streamlined. However, if you decide that you don't want to remove the profile after all, you can easily cancel the process. Simply click Cancel in the pop-up window and the duplicate profile will remain unchanged. There you have it. You're now equipped with the knowledge to clean up your Google Business profile by removing any duplicates. Taking these steps can help improve your online presence and maintain a clear and professional appearance for your business. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you manage your profiles effectively.